Assalamualaikum and welcome to another episode of Zealfit TV. Today we are going to unbox the Eleiko XF80 Light Rack. As you guys probably would notice, I don't have my cap, and that's because it's in my car. And it was raining outside, but now I'm just too lazy to just get it. So in any case, check out this new Eleiko polo t-shirt that I just got with the shipment that came with this XF80 Light Rack. So the XF80 Light Rack comes in 3 boxes, or rather 5 boxes. One is this box, the other 2 is a pair of boxes, which I assume is the upright, which is the longer one, and the shorter one should be the base. Oh, by the way, I'd like to thank my customer who has allowed me to unbox this for him, and so thank you very much for getting the XF Light Rack. And he is actually the 4th customer in Malaysia to get the XF80 Light Rack. So I think this is going to be one of the best sellers moving forward. I think because the price point is quite good compared to the other half racks that we have in our product range. Without wasting any more time, let's just unbox them one by one. Let's see what's inside. So let me just take this out. This is the can't remember what it's called. It's the plate that holds the upright and the base. So there should be 2 of them, or 4. A pair on each upright. 2. That's 3. And that's 4. The Eleiko is upside down. There you go. You can see that. Bismillah. Oh, there you go. This should be the connector of the base. Alright, so let's just set it right here. And here is the manual. Yeah. This is the J-cup. Just take it out to show you guys. It should be similar to the one that we have on our XF80 rig. Yep. So that's the J-cup. Okay. And the most important thing of all, the mounting kit. This is pretty heavy, so they have a lot of nuts and bolts here. Right. All right. So let's just get rid of this box. There you go. Okay, let's just split them apart. One more side. There you go. Okay. Woohoo! I'm sweating even though the showroom is air conditioned. I'm feeling a little bit warm. All this unboxing is really, it's like a workout. Alright, so this is the other one. Oh no. There you go. Now we can get rid of the boxes. Yeah. Time out. The boxes are labeled like box 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. So you know when it comes, you know that you're supposed to expect 3 boxes. Okay? So the upright and also the base comes in pairs and they are taped together, so you know that's just considered as 1 box and not 2 boxes. Same thing, I guess, just shorter. Yep. I should be exercising, right? Sometimes it's just life just takes over. But I know that's an excuse. But it's my excuse. Oh, there you go. Right. We are now all set to assemble this. Let's get rid of the last 2 boxes like this. All right. The setup is pretty simple. It's just like any of the XF80 half racks, power rack, and all that. It uses a spanner, a 24 spanner, and also I advise that if you want to assemble all this, that you get the torque wrench. Just makes your life easier. Now, the manual says that we have to assemble the base first, obviously. So let's just do what they say. Before that, I think it's best that we cut this open. I always get confused between a nut and a bolt. What is this? Is this a bolt? I assume this is a nut. And washer, so there are 3 things. Okay, no, actually there are 4. Okay, where is the base? The base. This is the base. All right, let's put the base right here. Okay, you can see these 2 holes right here. These go along with these 2 holes on the cross beam right there. Okay, so it's pretty easy, and make sure that this part right here is at the top. I'm not too sure what this is for. Oh, go away. Okay, so just line the holes together. Yeah. Now, okay, let's just get it in there. Make sure you put the washers in before you put the nut in. So what I usually do is just screw it on until you can do it with your fingers. Now, the nuts and bolts are very oily, so just let you know that it's not like a defect or anything like that. I'm not too sure why it's oily. Maybe there's a purpose. Maybe it makes it easier to actually, screw them on. Okay. Yep. Oh, see? What did I say? What did I tell you? I forgot the washer. So we got that. Now I'm just going to sit down because it's getting very tiring. Okay. So I guess this video also serves to show you that for a rack this size, technically you can do it yourself. We haven't gotten to the upright, so I'm being overconfident right here, but I think I should be able to do it by myself, Insya Allah. And there you have it. That's the base. So after this, we'll work on the uprights. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, but only one side has the engraved or laser cut numbers on them. So this should be the front facing, all right? And the upright just goes directly on top of the base like that, and it's held together by by the plates. Now, I forgot to do one thing, which is get the nuts and bolts ready. That's what I forgot to do. 2, 3, oh, so oily. 1, 2, 3. You know what's the worst that can happen? It's when you're missing one of these nuts and bolts, one of these pieces. Okay, so remember to the plates, the Eleiko logo, don't put it backwards, because then you have to take it out again, you know, so make sure that it's in the right direction. This upright is not that heavy compared to the half rack, because obviously this is much shorter. So if this goes right here, okay. Now again, if you have someone to help you, then use that help, okay? Don't be foolish like me. I know this is risky, but okay, bismillah, you know. All right, so just put one screw in. So again, make sure that the Eleiko part, the Eleiko logo is on the right side. Align the holes, just like that. Okay, bismillah. Okay, that's secured. All I need now is just to secure the bottom part. Bit. Got it. Got it. Got it. Alhamdulillah. Ah, see? I didn't put the washer here. Voila, there you have it. Okay, now it's just about tightening up the nuts and bolts. If you have an impact drill, it's even better. It just saves you a lot of time and manual labor like this. Sometimes manual labor is good. It actually gives me time to think. So I don't want to tighten it up all the way through, just enough so that it doesn't fall apart. You see why it's necessary for you to have the right tools, you know. Long time ago, I didn't even have this torque wrench, right? And I just used 2 spanners, and that took so long. And by the end of the day, my hands were hurting. There you go. So I'm just going to do this side and then the upright. Be right back. Off camera, I've tightened up the screws on the cross member, and I've also arranged the bolts on one side and the plates and the nuts on this side. So let's not make the same mistake again. Get this in. Yes. Line it together. And again, don't forget the washers. Okay. First part done. Okay, oops. Oop. Probably not wise to do that. And there you go. Just get one in and I'm relieved. I don't even have to hold it upright. I feel pretty safe, you know. Use your judgment. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, good. All that's left is just to tighten everything up. Okay. Ta-da! And that's how you install the XF80 Light Rack. Nothing to it, right? So I just proved to you guys that you can do it alone. Alhamdulillah, I successfully managed to assemble the Eleiko XF80 Light Rack by myself without getting injured. I'll probably do an in-depth review of the rack. We can show you how it looks like with the safety arms, the dip modules, the J-cups, and how we can use it for squats and bench. But that's going to come probably in another 2 or 3 episodes. But Insya Allah, we'll try to do it as soon as we can. And if you have any questions about the XF80 Light Rack, of course, you are welcome to leave your comments and questions in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it now. I do appreciate that you turn on the notification button. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and of course share it with your friends. And with that, I'll see you in the next Zealfit TV episode. Ciao.